Today, we're diving into a critical topic that has many shorts on edge. Over the coming weeks and months, we're likely to witness significant changes in the political and financial landscape. The shorts are especially nervous about potential shifts that could disrupt their hold on power. Hey, welcome to AMC Daily. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But everyone remember, this is not a financial advice video. Let's delve into why hedge funds and institutions are particularly concerned. There's a strong belief that if Trump is re-elected, substantial changes could be on the horizon. These changes might close the loopholes that currently allow them to get away with various questionable practices. For instance, the CEO of Trump's media corporation, DJT, has openly criticized Citadel Securities for illegal synthetic shorting. He even reached out to the Nasdaq CEO, alleging that his company's shares were victims of naked short selling. Let's shift our focus to a more specific topic: GameStop and the recent flurry of options activity. This week, GameStop saw another surge in 5,000 call options for July 19th at a $30 strike price. Just last week, we discussed similar purchases, and it seems the trend is continuing. Notably, Liquidity Tweets reported that Roaring Kitty bought 7,000 more $30 calls for GameStop, adding to an already substantial open interest of 66,000 call options. This has sparked speculation about whether Roaring Kitty has insider knowledge. It's important to note that this is still speculation. Roaring Kitty hasn't posted any updates recently. However, given GameStop's current trajectory, we might see more tweets and updates soon. Since May, GameStop has been trading within a bullish wedge, which I mentioned in my previous video. Recently, it broke above this wedge, closing above $26 last Friday and reaching $27, $28, and even $29 in after-hours trading. According to the price chart, there are resistance levels at $30, $31, and $32. If GameStop pushes past these levels, we could see significant price movements. Roaring Kitty's potential updates and position changes could further influence GameStop's trajectory. He hasn't updated his position since June 13th, but we know he added 9 million Chewy shares. It will be interesting to see his next move, possibly involving both GameStop and Chewy shares and options. In other news, Kristen Shaughnessy recently tweeted about a former hedge fund trader sentenced to prison for stock manipulation. This isn't some old news from decades ago. It's a current event from July 15th. The trader and a co-defendant were ordered to pay over $215 million in restitution and receive 3.5 years in federal prison. Their scheme involved manipulating penny stock prices to inflate hedge fund profits, leading to massive losses for investors when the funds collapsed. This case highlights how artificially inflating or deflating stock prices can lead to significant consequences. This development is particularly relevant to the ongoing discussions about AMC and GameStop. The fraudulent activities of inflating long profits or short profits are akin to the manipulation we're seeing in these stocks. The end game for such hedge funds seems to be inevitable collapse when their manipulative practices are exposed. Furthermore, Frank's Place tweeted about the persistent issue of illicit short selling. Since 2009, out of around 5,000 complaints about naked short selling, only 123 were examined further, mostly because the companies involved were already under other enforcement actions. Astonishingly, no enforcement actions, changes, fines, or prison time resulted from any of these complaints. This indicates a long-standing pattern of the SEC ignoring synthetic short selling. In conclusion, the next few months promise to be eventful, both politically and in the stock market. The shorts are clearly on edge, and developments around GameStop and regulatory actions will be critical to watch. Guys, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about AMC stock? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.